I'm gonna try to torque these screws down some more. I'm gonna take the drill, back them out, and I'm gonna try to drill them in more. That's what we're gonna do. Oh wow, look at that. That clutch made all the difference. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm gonna do that with these ones up here too. There we go. That one ain't in anything. All right, let's go work our way down. Get these ones at the bottom.
Problem with putting in the railing is there are steps.
Yeah. So we're gonna do these ones. Boy, that works way better with that clutch. There we go. Now we're cooking. These ones. Okay. Now I got one more up there. Here we go. One more right here. Oh, that's a lot better with that torque on there. All right, Sean, shut her off.